Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to be showing you how to make makeup tattoo. So this is part 1, and for part 2 make sure to like in this video. You should get at least 5 likes for that. Let's subscribe and let's do this. Okay. So I made this video before, but that was without earphones and the voice was cracking. So this is what I made. I don't know if you can see it properly. There probably gonna be a few pictures. Okay, so I'm gonna make it here. I put a temporary tattoo here. It doesn't last long. Okay, so first thing that you're gonna need is setting powder. And basically you just need 4 things for this. That is eyeshadow, setting powder, eyeliner, and a brush. That's it. A brush like this. Not this. Okay, so you put the setting powder where you want to make the tattoo. And this just comes off in a day. Comes off easily. So if you want to make a tattoo, if you want a temporary tattoo but your mom's not allowing you, so you can use this. And then after putting the setting powder, you brush it off. It's so that the makeup doesn't stick to your hand. And please avoid using lipsticks because then they get too sticky. The next step is to use eyeliner and use a bit. So take it out a bit. This much. Don't use like this much because then it will break. Don't use this much. Yeah, this much. Okay, so you make what you wanna make. What do I make? I'll just make a big heart. It's not that good. Okay, this is how it came. It's not that good. So the next step is to put eyeshadow. It's fine if it comes out of the line. You can brush it off then. So take whatever color you want. I'm gonna take this pink. And now it's time for the last step, which is to put setting powder again. And then you count till 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then you brush it off. And voila! Your makeup tattoo is done. I really don't know if you can see properly. Yeah. So, and that's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe, like, share, and turn on post notifications so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Bye guys! And get this video to 5 likes.